Hello my people, in this video we will see how to change refund method on TikTok. The first pass is going to search this in Google, and well, we have uh, two methods or scenarios. For TikTok shop buyers, most common scenario, pass one initial return. Go to your orders in the TikTok app and start the refund process for the specific item. Choose method, select your preferred return method, drop ups, pick up, serve, arrange, if available, and get the prepaid label. Wait for refund. Once the seller approve and receive the item or approve a return refund, the money goes back to your original payment source within 3 or 10 business days. If payment method closed, if the original card account is closed, contact the seller for a return or refund or reach out to TikTok support directly to explain the situation as they handle platform issues. The second method for TikTok ads as business center refunds. Contact sales rep, reach out your dedicated TikTok sales representative to start the refund process. Pass 2, original method. The refund is automatically sent to the original payment method on file. And finally, pass troubleshooting. If you have issue receiving it to bank restriction or incorrect info, you may need to update details or contact your bank. Say TikTok ads help guide. Well, that's all for today's video. If you like it, and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time.